How to create a numbered list in Microsoft Word. In this video, I'll show you how to create a numbered list in Microsoft Word. The first method is using a keyboard shortcut. Place your cursor where you want the list to start, type 1 period, and press the spacebar. Word will automatically create a numbered list. Now type your first item and press Enter to create the next numbered item. Continue adding your items. When you're finished, press Enter twice to stop the numbered list. The second method is using the numbering option. Go to the Home tab and in the Paragraph section, click Numbering. You can also click the arrow next to it to choose a different numbering style from the numbering library. Select the style you want, then start typing your list. Finally, you can also create a numbered list from existing text. Simply highlight the text you want to turn into a list, go to the Home tab, and click Numbering. Word will automatically add numbers to each selected line. And that's how to create a numbered list in Microsoft Word. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.